excited fast to get on the kayak. Now she lucky, it's not bass season. See what we doing here. Stop playing with it. SLF Outdoors. Get wild. Let's get it. Let's get it, baby. It's all day, all day, all day. Kayak, cheat code. Cheat code. What's the cheat code? What's your cheat code? Whoa, you see this big. Get her back in the water so she could lay more babies. I'll see you later. Just put her on this side.